My very first attempt at natural DIY makeup was basically cornstarch plus cinnamon. I wanted something natural, but let's be real, I smelled like cookies and my bronzer didn't last past breakfast. But I didn't want to give up on natural beauty and I knew there had to be a better way. That's why we created Simply Earth's DIY Mineral Makeup Base, to make clean, beautiful DIY makeup that actually works. So why DIY makeup? Well, natural makeup can be very expensive and hard to find, especially if you care about ingredients and want a shade that actually matches your skin. With DIY, you can control both without it being overwhelming. That's why we made this base simple to use, easy to customize, safe and effective with ingredients you can trust. We didn't want fillers or fluff, only ingredients that do real work in your makeup. Here's what's in the base. Zinc oxide. This adds gentle coverage and soothes skin. Magnesium stearate helps everything blend smoothly and stay put. Silica controls shine and gives you that soft, airbrushed look. Titanium dioxide allows your makeup to have buildable coverage. Cerussite mica. This makes your makeup feel silky and glide on effortlessly. And yes, we know some people worry about titanium dioxide. That's why we only use non-nano cosmetic grade titanium dioxide. Safe when used properly and perfect for pressed powders, creams, and more. We've done the research, so you don't have to. Now let's talk about color. This is where things get really fun. You can use mica powders for shimmer and sparkle, and they come in a wide variety of colors. You can use pigment powders for stronger matte color with better coverage. Want a subtle glow? Use mica powder. Want rich buildable coverage? Use pigments. Want both? Blend them! You get to be the artist, and our base makes it super easy to experiment. With this one base, you can make loose powders like eyeshadow, blush, highlighters, and more. Pressed powders, just add a little bit of carrier oil and then pack it into a tin. Creams by melting it with a butter like shea or mango. Or liquid makeup by mixing it with a little bit of carrier oil. Yep, one base and all the looks. Need a little help? We've got you. We created a free DIY natural makeup guide that gives you step-by-step recipes to follow. You'll learn how to make blush, eyeshadows, and lip products. Just download it using the link below. At Simply Earth, we believe making natural products should be simple, fun, and safe. Not stressful or expensive. We're a small company with a big mission to make quality DIY natural ingredients accessible to everyone. We test everything, care about quality, and love making you feel confident about what you're making. So whether you're brand new to DIY or have been in the game for a long time, this DIY mineral makeup base from Simply Earth is going to change the game. Give it a try, grab the free guide, and when you create the perfect shade, tag Simply Earth. We can't wait to see it. Let's make beauty personal again.